Yeah, no more letters. We're doing shapes now, I think. S A R A H. Okay, and it is 5/31/17. All right, here's your pencil. Today is sunny or cloudy or rainy or stormy or windy. Or snowy, which one?
That's snowy.
That is sunny. So we're gonna circle sunny. Circle it real good. Do we eat a car? Look, you drew your E. Look at that E.
I didn't feel it.
Yeah, you made a scribble. It's called a scribble. Can you say scribble? But look, you did your E without the dots.
Yep.
Very good. Gonna put this up.
Good job, Sarah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I see it.
No.
Thursday, we got a lot to do on Thursday. You got your Rebecca, and you got your breakfast bites, and you got your cutting activity to do. Like my earrings?
You got new earrings? Nice. Are those real pearls?
No, I can't afford real pearls.
Well, they look the same.
I don't have 1 million subscribers.
They look the same as real pearls.
Yeah, they look the same.
I got here.
You got hair?
Yeah.
Wow, that's neat. I like it.
All right, Sarah, you want to go outside and play with some bubbles?
Whoa!
Yeah.
Because it's outside time.
Whoa.
Here we go.
All right, here you go. You can go outside. You want to get your flip-flops on? Oh, let's wait till we go outside. Go put your flip-flops on.
You got bubbles?
You know, I was thinking with the chicks, if we ever do get them out and we treat an area with the ant treatment, we can buy some little cages that we could just stick in the ground, sort of like the tomato cages, and just stick it in the ground really good, but make it where it's smaller, where they can't stick their head in there. You know what I mean?
Do it again.
Bubble.
Hear the morning dove?
Whoa, that's a big
Whoa.
bubble. Goodness. That was a big one. Whoa.
Look out, Bubbles. Here she comes.
What you doing, Sarah? You watering the garden?
Yeah, watering.
All right, get some more. Good job. You getting some water?
Yeah.
You're doing a good job.
Yeah, I got more of this there.
Don't get too much, it'll be heavy. All right.
So heavy.
Is it so heavy?
Yeah.
You heavy? Whew. My goodness. Doing a good job. Big helper.
He was taking a bath.
What are you doing?
I'm playing.
You playing with sand?
Yeah.
Cool. What is it?
I see it.
It's a pink moth.
Whoa.
My favorite color.
Neat.
It's even got pink legs. Look at it. Pink
Yeah.
legs.
Cool.
What's wrong with you? Oh, no. Ooh, he tickles. So big, he tickles.
That's cool.
The tickles. Oh.
Oh, he tickles.
Well, mine.
You gonna put it on your hand?
Yeah.
Let's see.
You can feel him tickle you now.
No.
Oh, okay, that's what I'm He's very weak. Okay, I'm gonna put him on the flower hill, okay?
So where are we at?
The West Point on the Eno.
You see all the water?
No.
You see the water? Oh,
This man.
I like your hat.
I'm by the sky.
See, look at that. Wow. Isn't that neat, Sarah?
Yeah.
You like walking?
Yeah.
Is it fun?
Yeah.
All right, let's do some more.
Yeah.
Whoa, that's a chipmunk.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, isn't that neat?
Yeah. Hey, walking?
He's just sitting there. Isn't that cool?
I'll sit.
No, can't touch that.
Oh, wow, he's not scared of us at all. He's probably not real.
He is.
Could
I
be fake.
saw him move.
You saw him move? I haven't
Didn't you
seen
see him
blink.
move?
Yeah.
I haven't seen him blink.
Person. You are horrible.
Oh, okay, he is real.
So he moved.
He moved.
Sarah's thirsty. Better?
Uh-huh.
Good.
All right, here's your
Put your hat back on?
Put your hat back on, or is it too hot?
It's warm.
It's too warm. You put it in my bag.
I only have a suit.
One more sip.
Yeah, Mama.
It's all right.
Want that song?
No.